everybody with M Dance. My name is Megan Fulmer. I have been away for quite some time now. I am currently the dance captain and I'm a member of the ensemble on the first national tour of The Bodyguard, the musical. I'm really excited to announce that I will be coming back to teach a hip hop masterclass, and you do not need any experience. This is just for you to feel comfortable doing movements to everyday songs that you would go out and hear, and something you can take with you on a night out with your ladies or your guys or whatever you want to do. I will be there coming up February 5th, and I hope to see you there. No dance experience is necessary.